Hey, what's up, you guys? Someone's like Porter. Today we're gonna take a look at the um one of the rarest Hot Wheels raceverse figures I found. The reason I say it's rare is because in all the places I tried to find him, this has to be one of the places I did find him. I found him at my Carrollton Target, and like the Homer figure, like I said in my previous video, I found at the Village Target. The um um Easter Bunny, however, I checked on this so many times. I finally found it. So here he is, the Easter Bunny. Uh, he has like a bubbly. He has like a little tag right there, and his car choice is an Easter basket, which is clever. Uh, he has like a little glass bubble right there, which is very cool. Because it actually looks like half an Easter egg. Um, what else? Oh yeah, he's a chocolate Easter bunny, which is actually very cool. And he actually looks like he's not squeezed in there like my other Racer Reverse figures. Actually looks like he's sitting down in there very well. Now, my other Racer Reverse figures, the figures in there loose. However, this one, the figures in there very, very good and handled with care. His um his little bow on his basket is very cool because it's a tailpipe. And last thing I want to point out is that yes, both sides have pink wheels. That's to give it a colorful approach. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this review. My Hot Wheels Race Verse Easter Bunny. I know that I did. Anyway, I'm Simon 24 and I'm signing out. Bye.